Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys this awesome wall mount that I have for a TV, and this is by Perlesmith. So this is a full motion TV wall mount. You can move it all different directions. This is good for TVs that are 24 to 55 inches, and it holds up to 70 pounds. It comes with so many different pieces and connectors as well, and a book with instructions, so that whatever kind of TV type you have, depending on the size that it's able to fit. You have instructions to show you exactly what to do so that you're doing this properly. It even helps you for the actual part that goes into the wall. It shows you all different directions, whether you have a brick wall and any type, whether it's on a stud or not. It's going to show you how to do this correctly so that it's going to stay up on your wall and not fall off. So I did this all myself. I was super impressed. You take the two posts that go onto the TV, and I did it exactly the way it told me to do for this 32-inch TV, and then it hooks onto the wall mount, and then there's two screws at the back that you are going to use to tighten. So this is going to keep your TV on there. I'm able to move this all around. It is nice and secure to the wall. I can follow my daughter wherever she wants to have it adjusted in her playroom, and I'm not even going to worry. It was so awesome to do on my own. I was very impressed, but that's just my point of view.